Stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. And I won't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Hi there, I'll be teaching you guys again. We will be using CapCut and Pinterest for the background pics. First go to Pinterest and download the picture you want to use for your interest background. Since I saved the sample pic lately, I opened my CapCut directly. Then I look for the sample pic on my gallery. I covered it because there are some pics of my face raw. CapCut follows the ratio of the first pic you'll choose, so I suggest you pick a 16:9 sized picture, so that the background pic follows its size in case it's portrait like mine. I am adjusting it rahahaha. After several years of adjusting, you can finally delete the 16:9 pic and move on, or you'll be hurt just kidding you bitch. Now go to stickers, then click the power button sticker kinda and turn your feelings off because he doesn't like you. Cha, sorry Nabi. The reason you go there because you're gonna find a loading sticker for your intro. Kurokan Ior Mo Edi Wag. I changed it because I don't think Glitch Edit is good for light pink with Maringshing extra color. I tried watching it, but nah, I's not for pink, no. I still am trying to find the blend of glitch and pink, but no Roblox. So I look for another loading sticker, like bet you can see it. I chose this because I find it cute like me lol needy. C is a good. Is a satisfying to watch. Bing badabong. Let me adjust, darling. Now go to stickers again. Go to vlogs, then add a sticker in heart. Me using this because it's a nice for vlogs. Someone messaged. The fudging cake is a just a group rehi. This looks a cutie. Adjusting again, what the? Longerogura. Now put your channel's name. Bitch, I just said that. Yes, it's totally random. This typo bitch. Ni angry moko ha. Tenjin ang toggle. Mota Junagawa Mo. I credit you ha, I credit you if existing too. Use a font that fits the color and theme. Tangatoggle. Make it longer or bigger if needed. Add animations if you want. I changed the fonts because I don't know to. Me gonna add more because you want to and I'm cute. I put 2 subscription marringshing to check with is better for the like and share button later. like the grey one better, quack. Adjusting the size, eek. I don't like the mawing shing like shing shing, so I'm changing it wakeek. Why do I keep changing shing shing shing? Perfecto, bravo mate. Select BG music. changing this latter. Thanks for watching Bidges. Please like, share, subscribe and turn the notification bell into grey or roll go to your cookie and eater house. Here is the finished product.